Okay, well, welcome to Baia, and this is about Baia Station in Italy. A new station that's been built. We've got various things going on with it. A new walkway, as shown with the illustration. And yeah, it's a lovely town. It's got a marina. Perfect place to visit, but it hasn't had a station for several years, so it's been a bit of a battle for them to actually get the station open and working. Dates have been put off, but it's coming. So look at the view here, absolutely wonderful. There are beaches here that you can sunbathe on. You can go swimming, but yeah, just take note of the conditions. So where Baia Station is, it's just around the corner here. There it is. Still being worked on, obviously. Yeah, lovely little Fiat 500 there. It's a sporty one, nice. Just walking up to the front of the station. There we go. Green entrance. Still got hoardings around it at the moment. Very busy, as you can see. The road's busy. Parking here, but I think this is the bus stop. Maybe a drop-off point. Well, that's the Stazione di Baia. Stazione di Baia. It's a Stazione di Baia, and it's meant to be open at some time soon, but it's been a while.
You missed it.
I know. So yeah, there's a bit of stuff going on in there. Let's see if we can zoom in.
25 years.
Can't see anything in there really. It's a shame. But we got this, which is part of it. There's the stairways down in there. See if I can get that. Not really. Let's get a bit of shot. Yeah, step down into it. So you don't have to cross over the road. So it's going to be a bit good eventually. So we'll just have to see when it actually opens.
Perfectly good sentiments.
So there we go on a little flight. Let's get up there. As you can see, it's a bit of a brown copper theme. We have got pictures of the internals, and we've got a map coming up soon. The train line going from Naples through here to where it goes to. Check that out. The workers in this. And a big hillside at the back of it. Goes along here to the roundabout towards the seafront. right, going down into the main town of Baia. That's the road on the left, we're on the seafront. Quite a few restaurants down there. There we go. Station of Baia. May it open soon. And please subscribe to the channel. It's free. It does help us out a lot. Let's make this channel a bit bigger. Get some more subscribers, please. Let people know. Share, like, subscribe.